People would always forget what you show them or what you do to them. However, people will never forget how you make them feel. Do you think you are editing videos the right way? Well, let's put this to the test. You just finished filming a footage, you take out the memory card from your camera, you plug it to your laptop, you copy the footage, you load them into your editing workflow, and straight away you begin to sort and later on begin to cut the footage until you are done. Well, if this is you, the intention of this video is not to make you feel bad, but I have one question for you. Where is your video leading to? What kind of emotions do you want to elicit from your intended audience? If you don't answer this question before getting into your edits, then I'm sorry, you might not be editing your videos in the right way, because before you even start to cut, you need to know your intended goal of the video. Now, for example, if I'm to edit a video, I have to ask myself, at the end of the day, how do I want the viewer to feel? Because remember, people would always forget what you show them or what you do to them. However, people will never forget how you make them feel. And that, for me, this statement is a fundamental of establishing good edits. Editing is a very subjective topic. However, if that footage you are editing is able to elicit your intended emotion, that for me is what makes for a really very good, or let me say, a successful edit. So for example, if I'm supposed to edit a video, all I do is I just get a notepad like this, or sometimes I just get sticker notes. I just open it and I just write the intended emotion that I want for my video so that I keep reminding myself. In this case, for example, I just write this emotion happy, because at the end of the video, I want that people should feel happy by watching the video. And by having this kind of intended goal in mind, it even guides you by the way you do your cutting, because trust me, the way you choose to arrange a shot can actually change the meaning or change the context completely. You can kindly check the Kuleshov effect for more understanding of this particular concept. And if you want me to make another video on the Kuleshov effect, let me know in the comment section below. I'll make a much more detailed video about that particular concept. Basically, the Kuleshov effect has to talk about the arrangement of shots, and what you put before or after a shot can totally change the meaning or the context of the shot. And so if you want to take your edits to the next level, this extra step will not cost you that much of time. However, it is a very important component that I suggest you add it to your editing workflow. This is not an editing software. This doesn't require money. This just requires thinking. You need to answer this question before you start to edit anything that you put on the timeline. What is the intended emotion that you want to elicit from your audience? Try this out and trust me, immediately your videos are going to improve, and you would realize that even by editing your videos, you are going to have a certain direction, because now you are not just editing, or you are not just trying to put shots together to form anything, but you have an intended goal. Hence, when you put together some footage or when you arrange it in certain ways that doesn't help you achieve the intended goal, then it immediately becomes very clear to you that you are missing the mark, or you are going beyond your set goals. Do this and trust me, your edits will totally improve. If you are seeing my face for the very first time, we talk about cinematography, photography, editing, and all its related branches right here on the Africa Amaze channel. If this sounds interesting to you guys, then I'll do much appreciate it if you click on the subscribe button. Make sure to turn on notification icon so that you get notified anytime I drop awesome content like this on this channel. If you do have any further questions or you have any contrary views, I'm open up for much more discussions. Do leave them in the comment section below, or you can also reach me on Instagram at OBL_Junior, and I would also gladly respond to every single one of your messages. And before we go, guys, if you did get a ton of information out of this video, kindly do me a favor by clicking on the like button, because it goes a long way in helping other people discover this channel on YouTube. And if you are just getting started in video editing, I have a tutorial right here on Adobe Premiere Pro. Click it to learn the basics of Adobe Premiere Pro in less than 20 minutes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.